going on, guys? Today we're doing Liam's first FPV flight. What do you got?
We've got a Bob 57.
It's a good starter quad. 6-inch. What battery? 1500?
1500.
Yeah, we just got it all set up. He's done some sim time.
Yeah.
He's been a good boy.
Hours.
50 hours?
Yeah.
He's lying.
No, that's how much it says I've done.
Really?
Yeah, literally.
Alright. He got a 350. 350. Got him set up, got some V2 goggles. Got a Crossfire TBS Tango 2. Alright, you ready, Liam?
I'm ready, man.
Alright, mate.
Let's set it up, man.
Alright, mate. Waiting for satellites.
Dollar cool.
Oh, we got satellites. He dancing?
Got 5 satellites.
He dancing? Hang on. You ready, Liam?
I'm ready, man.
Alright, bro. Let's do it.
It's so much scarier when you actually know that it costs money if it crashes.
100%. Just in this random field. It's been raining heaps, so better not crash. I just know this camera's not picking it up. But you're doing well. You're doing really well for your first flight. What'd you just press? It's beeping. Check your satellites.
I got 8.
Alright, sweet. That's fine.
So currently it's an angle mark. I might gain a bit of height. Try some acro real quick.
Sounds good. Just don't go too low and you'll be fine. Because you and the sim is really good. That's good, man. Easier than the sim. Yeah, because the physics are a lot more realistic.
I love that you can hear it. If I could do that, that's so cool.
Yeah.
Move it over to us, eh? What's left of the car?
Yeah, a little bit. beginner drone pilot crashes into my face with a 6-inch.
Yeah, I can't lie. It's kind of easier in real life.
Yep. What's your battery at?
3.69.
Sweet. Just make sure you're keeping an eye on it. He's doing his first landing. Don't hit the car. There you go. Nice. Good job.
Thanks, mate.
That's good.
That's sick.
Are you gonna go again or are you done?
Yeah, I'll go again. That's fine.
Oh, sweet. You going again?
Yeah, let's go again. Sorry, Carl, it's coming.
He's a pro. Oh shit. Oh shit. Nah, you're doing real well, man. Don't hit the pole. Where is it? Oh! You're a cheeky bugger, eh? It's actually scary.
It is scary. Just even listening to it.
Yeah.
But when you know you're in control, and you just bail out.
Yeah. Nice, nice. How you feel, mate?
Feel good, man.
Yeah, mate.
Pretty scary, but.
Is that it? The battery's dead?
No, that's okay.
It bounces back up when you disarm and it rests like the battery.
3.62.
Oh, you got a bit more
Go again, yeah.
if you want.
See the cowl again.
It does feel weird in angle.
What?
You're cheeky, don't get too confident.
Low bat.
Yeah, coming for a landing. Yeah, over, yeah, the grass. Disarm. Nice. Took the battery down a bit. Oh, sorry, it's your battery.
Sorry, battery, I'm at.
How was that, man?
Pretty good. How do you
First
think
official flight.
how do you think I went, sir?
That was really good.
Let's go.
I would have crashed like 5 times.
Oh, really?
Nah, I was used to flying normal drones, so it was very different.
Yeah, it's a cruiser and an acro as well, so I suppose it wouldn't be as aggressive as like a 4-inch.
Yeah, 100%.
But felt quite confident, if I'm honest with you.
Yeah.
Good first flight or what, mate?
Yeah. One thing I'll tell you, if you go far, like this wasn't very far, but if you're going far, you want to make sure your goggles are pointing towards the drone.
Oh,
so
that's how to do on this.
when you took off again, you're facing this way.
Yeah.
But obviously, like 03 is fucking rock solid. Yeah, so that was a good, solid first flight. Honestly, I was a bit worried. I was a bit nervous for him. Didn't want you to crash.
You taught me plenty though, so
Yeah.
I wasn't going into it really nervous. I was nervous at the start, just because
Yeah,
obviously
obviously.
it costs money if you crash it. But once I was up, it feels pretty much just like a simulator, but
Yeah.
a little bit less.
Physics are
Yeah, you can
better.
actually feel the weight. I feel like of the drone.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I think it was good. And that was only a little battery, so.
Yeah. Yeah, you got a battery that's more than twice that size, so.
And I can go further with that or no?
Yeah, if you want.
Yeah.
You just gotta keep an eye out on the signal and
Yeah.
stuff like that.
Yeah. No, very good. Very happy.
That's
Very
good.
Fun, very fun.
Now we can fly together.
Yes, sir.
FPV bros. Oh, I didn't get it.
Oh.